guys, we are on our way to pick up a legendary boat in the catfish community. A buddy of mine built it years and years ago and got an opportunity to pick it up. It's been about a 4-hour drive so far, but we're pulling up here shortly. Stay tuned. A little late to start this, but here's the boat. We're in the middle of redoing some stuff on it right now. Redoing the console today, and then I got some motor work to do this week yet, but here she is. A gutted Starcraft with the front center console. 90 horsepower of power. It's all kitted out. I mean, he's got a casting light, blue light for illuminating rods at night. It's got lights under here for netting fish. Bimini top probably will get replaced. I mean, it's got trolling motor, headlights, giant headlights. We gotta check those out. These babies are sweet. All the lights work, trolling motor works. Just freshening it up a little bit. We'll clean it out. Carpet looks rough, but I mean, it's really solid. It's just wet and mossy and whatever. But yeah, we'll get it roll. We're wrapping it up for the night. New console's built. Got holes to drill and stuff yet, but the main structure's there. Keeping the bottom open. I'll probably put like canvas over it at some point, but keep it open for now. And that way we can put the battery underneath. Yeah, he did a pretty good job. Looks sharp. Just another update on cleaning up the boat. We're gonna vacuum it out. Got a lot of junk, a lot of leaves and stuff you can see in there. A lot of leaves up here. We're gonna vacuum it out, pressure wash it, see if we can get it to come back to life a little bit here. Okay, just got done pressure washing it. Everything kind of left is just like actual stains. I mean, I couldn't get them out. We scrubbed it down with soap and everything, but heck of a lot cleaner. Still got a couple things to cut out of the console. I'll have a switch panel here. I'm just waiting for a new one. And I'm gonna put my trim here, I think. Well, right there actually. I put it there specifically because my girlfriend couldn't reach it, and when I'm putting the transom saver on, it'd be nice if she could reach that for me. Well, we finally got her ready for the water. Had to do a bunch. I'll flip her around here. It doesn't look great right now. It's kind of just slapped together, but it's water ready anyways. Little couple things we had to do. Lower unit. We did some work on that, water pump. Rebuilt the carbs the other night after work. Put a new starter solenoid in. That was all kind of a pain. Did some tuning on the carbs last night in the river. Got it to run pretty good. It seems to be pretty solid. My switch panel, that will be mounted eventually. It's just slapped on there for now just to have it hard mounted for today's trip. Got the cooler with the necessities, of course. Should be good to go. We're gonna hit the red here. We're up north and we're gonna get on some big ones, so stay tuned. Where'd that daggum net go? There it is. Can you go under the my Hellcat?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta be strong doing it. Yep, there you go. You know, have your step to your right a little bit. You know the deal.
Oh, he's just a little guy.
It's just a baby.
Oh, got a big old hole in the side.
In the side under my hand?
Yeah.
Yeah. First cat of the day. Give him a slap. Good boy.
Nice boy.
Love you. Bye. Ooh, that's a fish there. That's a good fish. Go get him, go get him, go get him. Wait on him, wait. Okay, go ahead. That's a good fish. That's a good fish, honey.
Oh my gosh.
Big strong one?
Yeah.
Then we'll move to your right once he gets closer. Let's fight him. What do you need to do?
Shit.
Can you hook it into your this area?
Mm-hmm. Is he snagged on that line?
No, you're good right now. Work him, honey, work him. You're so strong. Well, of course, every time he surfaces, I don't see him.
What is that?
I don't know.
Is that like... No.
It's a cat. It's a cat.
Why does it look like that?
It's little. And you're not very strong.
Are you sure?
He's tiny.
Why do you feel like that?
It's a 4-pound fish. Well, we're in heavy current, so
Oh,
everything's gonna be
well, geez.
Let him go, let him go, let him go.
Let him go?
Yep. 4.5 5-pound fish.
Unreal.
I didn't like put it in my brain right away that it was that we're in like all of the current.
Remember when I said I was going to cancel my gym membership?
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. Or just go fishing more. Ah! You want to weigh him? Give him some slackers. Actually, I need to put him to the camera first. Got quite the workout with this one. Real monster.
She's something.
We out here. Give him some slappies.
Nice.
Good boy.
Thank you.
Grow up. That's a good eater size there. I just don't want to feed any fish today.
Are you moving?
No.
Oh.
Well, in a few minutes here, probably.
Oh, honey.
Oh, I got it.
You.
That's what we want. I was just about to turn that GoPro off too. Feels nice, but we're in current, so it's tough to say. You know, sometimes 4-pounders feel like 15-pounders.
No.
He isn't head shaking much, which
Maybe you can't because of the current.
maybe. I haven't fished steady current very much, so to be honest. If it's another turtle, I'm going home. It kind of feels like one, though. Usually you get some rolls and shit.
I didn't really have any either, though.
Oh, really? Doesn't feel right.
Oh my. I got you.
Oh my god. That is a freaking tank. This is a monster.
Big head.
Look at the head here. That thing's massive. That's what we like.
She's got battle wounds.
We'll get you back. Oh, love you later. He's gonna be on there. He's gonna be on there.
Playing with my heart now.
There you go. Take him. Reel, reel, reel. Oh, that's a good fish.
Oh my gosh. No.
Don't worry about pointing in any certain direction. Just reel.
Maybe it's not that big.
No? Just strong?
Yeah.
Spicy? He's head shaking though.
Ow, it hurts to reel like that.
It's hard reeling on the left side, I think. Could be swimming with you though. They do that shit.
Yeah.
He's super small though. 6 pounds probably. You want it up?
Huh?
There you go. It's really pale compared to the last one. There. That's a nice little guy. Good one to end the night on.
Okay, see.
Be free. Just pounding out a little breakfast before we head out. It's raining, but might not be too bad. Got some sausage cooking, bacon and eggs. Should be a good breakfast of champions for some big fish today. Alright, we are back after some breakfast. Just showing you the rig here. It's like a Santee Cooper rig on this one. The float and rattle, cut gold eye, just a big chunk on there. Sinker slide, 4-ounce sinker. All the other ones don't have the rattles, just kind of testing on that, see if I like it or not. But yeah, we're gonna get big ones today, I think. I can really feel it. Kind of crappy, it was raining this morning. See what happens. We're fishing a deeper hole. It's like 20 feet behind me here where the baits are, and we're up in like 12, and it kind of ramps down into it. I'm so sorry. And then right there we have a little inlet, and then right back there we have another little inlet that doesn't really have anything flowing. There's a little bit of a dam back there, it looked like. Perfect placement. Bark bite.
That's you. Woo, honey.
Bark bite, honey. Fighting pretty good, but we're in the current, so it's hard to tell. I can net myself. Whoa, big fish. Yeah, big fish. Big fish. Might be ready. Put a weight down in here in a second. Oh, yeah. There we go. Start the day strong. He's about to kick at me. I'm gonna set him down. I don't trust you. I'm kidding. I watched you do it
It's
yesterday.
getting a bite.
Yeah.
It was down further.
Well, we're busy. It's probably on. It was big, which I'm okay with. It's just so casual, so easy catching these fish.
Where's that leader line?
Right there on the floor by my leg. Yep. Chair leg, not my leg.
And same thing?
Yep.
Just get it wet.
Yep, mono, you always want to get wet. Some people get braid wet. I don't know if that's necessary or not, but this is like on the big side of eating, in my opinion. If I wanted to clean fish, I'd probably keep this guy and eat him up. But, so if anyone's wondering, for channel cats, in my opinion, this is eater size. I'd say he's 3 pounds. Absolutely smoked. Camera's been off, saving battery. We're running low on battery for everything. My net is.
Oh my god. It went over that one.
Over it?
Yeah.
Okay, go underneath your Hellcat. And we'll get him on the other side. Alright, watch your noggin.
I thought it was.
Well, he hit hard. He laid it over. Maybe it's a good eater. I mean, what do you do when they fold their rod in half? Wish we would have had that on camera. Break my neck.
Oh.
Is he strong or what?
No,
He's fighting pretty good. Walking him that way. You can break if you need to. You just hold on and don't have to reel. He ain't gonna go nowhere. He's fighting pretty damn good, honey. He might be a decent fish. I think when you said he wasn't, he might have been running extra. And he's small. reel down to him. Reel, 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 reel. Yep. That was pathetic. You might have to do it one more time, okay?
Okay.
Yep, one more time. Reel one time. That's a nice fish.
Hold
Nice
on.
fish.
Give me a minute.
Here, I'll pull it this way. Start reeling.
It's pulling out of the reel. Or, yeah.
Oh, it's pull and drag or what?
Yeah.
You ready to reel? Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a great fish. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. The head on this, honey. Oh my god. Look at the head. It's a monster. We love this. Look at this. Look at the freaking head.
Maybe. It does. The last one.
I bet it's 16 at least. No? 15. On the dot. Hey, hey, relax, dude. We chilling? You alright? We are alright.
Oh, there's one in the pink one too.
Oh.
I think, right? Or no? And you just got bites in the floor. You want me to put him back?
No, you got
Oh shit. We'll double.
We'll double.
This one? Or
Oh, this is a good fish. No way.
what can I do with him? Can I?
Just leave him right where he is.
Okay, but I need the net.
Yep. Oh my.
You need to get off. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh,
He'll be okay.
that's okay.
They're real tough here. He was biting real good, now he ain't. Oh my. No, it ain't.
What the hell?
He's just strong. That's all.
Oh. Oh,
You're good. You're good. Ready? That guy fought like crazy. You're just being a little guy. And doubled up. 15 pounds. This is probably 6, 7, 8 maybe. Awesome. Last spot of the day before we gotta head out. This will work.